Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound USD for 16th March 2021. So this analysis is for 16th March only. You'll be seeing me again tomorrow with the analysis for 17th March. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. So we can see that the current market prices are 0.3926. Okay, and market is after this fall, market is in range. Before that, market was in uptrend, market fell from here and took support here, and right now market is in range. So what should be a strategy then? Let me take out the pencil first. Let me change the color this time to this purple. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, I have drawn two lines on the chart. Okay, so this is the first line, 1.4001. So this is the resistance 1, and this is the support 1.3777. Okay, and this is the no trading zone for the market. Okay, no trading zone. Okay, so we just need to wait for the price to go either up or down. Okay, so when price will be going up, okay, and it will hit this line or the first resistance 1.4001 level. Okay, just observe how the price is reacting. Just try to understand the market psychology. If you see that price is struggling near the resistance level, then there is a chance that market will reversing from here. So if you see that the price is struggling near the resistance, and if you see that there is some price rejection from above like this, or there is a big red candle like this, you can short the market here just below this line. Okay, and if market crosses this line, okay, if market crosses this line somehow, then wait for at least 1 or 2 hours. Okay, or at least wait for 4 hours. Okay, and just see how the price is doing. If you see that after 2-3 hours or 4 hours price is still trading comfortably above the level, okay, then you can go ahead and buy. The resistance will be this support then. Okay, so wait for couple of hours and see how the price is doing. If you see that price is trading comfortably, easily, then easily you can go for a buy. Then the resistance will be a support. Okay, otherwise if you see some price rejection from above, then short the market here. And on the other hand, if market goes down, okay, if market goes down from here, okay, wait for the market to hit this support level. Okay, so when market will be in this level, again you just need to observe. Okay, observe how the price reacts or how the price does. If you see that price is about to bounce again, bounce from here, so if you see that there is a hammer kind of a pattern or there's a big green candle, okay, and price is ready to bounce back from here, okay, just try to understand the market psychology. Okay, so if you see that, okay, bulls are back again, they are not allowing the price to go down, you can buy here. On the other hand, if it crosses this level with good amount of volume, if you see that sellers have joined the party again, they are selling it very hard, okay, then wait for 1 or 2 hours, just see whether the price is being supported by volume or not. If you see that after 1 or 2 hours that yes, the sellers are dominating the market, okay, then you can short the market here below this line. Okay, so wait for the price either to go to the resistance or to the support. Okay, and this is your no trading zone. You don't need to trade in this zone right now. No need to take any kind of risk. Okay, so just follow the simple strategy that I always mention and make money. Okay, so hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please do give a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.